Hey everyone, welcome back to the Python Masterclass, day 5. Today we are going to learn loops, one of the most powerful and interesting concepts in programming. Loops help us repeat tasks without writing the code again and again and again. So let's start. What are loops? Loops let your program run a block of code repeatedly. Python has two main loop types: for loop and the while loop. Well, one example of loop is for I in range bracket 5 colon print bracket I. This is one of the examples. This prints the numbers from 0 to 4 range in. Let's run the program so that you understand. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we want to print the number 6, the number 5, then we put 5 over here. We put 6 over there and we put 5. As I had explained in one of the previous Python masterclass, we have to give one extra number, like one number above, to Python so that it prints till the number before it. It's actually because Python only prints till the number before the number which we give as input. Iterating through a list. So let's, for example, create a list. List is I had not explained list. So yeah, list is basically a variable which contains multiple values. We can again access these values through indexing, which we will again learn in the next Python masterclass. So let's give fruits is equal to bracket. We give the double quotes mango, comma, let's say apple, comma, let's say orange. For then we give another thing. The second for loop for fruits. Oops, sorry, fruits in fruits print fruit. Excellent. Now it's going to print mango, then apple, then orange in an order. Exactly. So it printed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then orange, mango, and then apple. Next, the while loop, which is again a very important loop in Python. While, let's say, count greater than 5, greater than or equal to 5, put the colon, print count, count plus equal to 1. And then we take count equal to int bracket input bracket enter the number. Excellent. We save the file and well we run it. Enter the number. Let's say we enter the number 1. Then it prints 1, then it prints 2, then it prints 3, then it prints 4, and then 5. This is how the while loop runs. So the difference between a for and a while loop is that a for loop runs for a particular fixed amount of times. So over here we had told it run for 6 times, and over here we had told it to run for the times fruits are there. So there are 3 fruits, so it ran 3 times. And over here in the while loop, we give it a condition. So well, it only runs till the condition is satisfied. If when the condition is not satisfied, it will stop running, or it won't start running at all if the condition is not satisfied. Using while loops when you don't know how many times you will repeat something is the reason why we use it. Like, it will help us when we don't know what kind of user, what kind of output will the user give. Or here he could have even given it like 7 or 8. Then we couldn't like really use a for loop for it. So now we'll move to the next section, which is the loop control statements. So, well, there are a couple of them, which is break, continue, and pass. So, well, these are really important loop control statements. They help us control the loops. So, firstly, let me just comment this out. Excellent. Save the file. And now I will just start with new and for I in range bracket 10, for I in range 10, if I I equal to sorry, equal to 5, then you can put a colon, break. We just go down, print bracket I. Excellent. So well, over here, the break function, okay, I'll just explain that after running through it. 1 0 1 2 3 4. Excellent. So the break function over here breaks out of the loop. Basically, it stops the loop from running. Even if the condition is not satisfied, it will still make it stop. If the condition we gave it is satisfied. So over here, we told the for to run for 10 times. So it will print numbers from 0 to 9. But we wrote another if condition is where if I equal to 5, then break out. That basically means that if the next number is going to be I, then break out of the loop, stop the loop. And we are only printing I after the loop is given. So I will put like this, and you'll see the difference. Over here, 5 will be printed because you're breaking after 5 is printed. So just make sure that you don't make an error over here. Next, we go to the continue function. So we'll again take the similar example for let's take I in range of 5. If I equal to let's say 2, then continue. We'll just put the word continue, continue, and we will print control X back. We'll print I. Now we will run the code. Just 1 second. Now I'll just put a print so that bracket. Excellent. And now we will again run it. We will only pay attention after the third one. Yeah. So in the continue function, well, okay. So well, you can see that 0 is printed, 1 is printed, 3 is printed, and then 4 is printed, but 2 is missing. Why? Because over here, 2 basically, if that condition is satisfied, over here 2 is the condition. If I is equal to 2, then it should continue. That means the loop should not print whatever is after that continue statement. It should start again. So that's why 2 was not printed. But just to show you the difference, oh, sorry, I will take this, Control X, and paste it over here. Make sure that the indentation is correct. Backspace, kill terminal, and run it. Excellent. So over here you can see that all the digits are printed because, well, I is being printed before uh, the condition of continue is being true. Well, if it was before, like in the before statement, then well 2 won't be printed. But over here there's nothing after continue. So well, even if the condition is true, it can't do anything. It can't skip the entire loop. It only has the power to skip anything after its statement if the function if the required statement is true. Let's move on to the pass statement. Let's say for I in range bracket 5 colon pass. Exactly. So now the pass function does nothing. That's the function of pass. Pass function has no function. It just continues with the loop. It's just there. In few situations you might be able to use it. I will tell you one situation in the further part of the video. Now we can even do nested loops. So nested loops is something like for I in range. Let's give bracket 5. Let's say for j in range sorry, bracket, let's say 4, print bracket I comma j. We run the code. Oh wait, there's some error. Sorry, there's a spelling error. Exactly. So yeah, we start from here. Wait one second, I'll just put a print block. Exactly. So, well, we start from here. Now it prints two different items. One is I. So I over here is printed for 5 times. Well, actually, it's printed for five times 5, which is 25. Well, why so? Well, because uh, in the for I the first loop, it will run for 5 times, and the second loop it will run for 4 times. So first, what Python does is that it goes to the for loop, the first one, which is for I in range. Then it thinks that yes, I have to run for 5 times, and then it goes to the next line, which is for j in range of 4. So well, again it says okay, fine, I'll run it. So this loop runs for 4 times. Sorry, this loop runs for 4 times, after which only the second time this for the I loop will run, and then again the j loop will run for 4 times, and so on. So that's why you can see 5 zeros, 5 1s, then 5 2s, and so on. And over here, that's why you can see many multiple times you see 0 1 2 3 4 5 if you carefully look at it. That's the thing behind it. This is called nested loops. This is useful for patterns, matrices, games, and etc. So if you want to create some kind of fun pattern, you can use this function. Next one is one practical example, multiplication table. So, well, what to do in this? Well, we create a multiplication table. First, we give the print function. then multiplication table, num equal to int bracket input, what's the first number for I in range, for I in range bracket, let's say 1 comma 11, let's put the colons, print bracket num comma times, we'll put the x over here, comma I comma double quotes again the equal to sign is equal to comma num times, which is the star sign, I. We save it and we run it. Enter a number, let's say 12. It prints the 12 times table for 10 times. Again, we have to make sure that you put the limits. So we don't want it to start from 0, otherwise 12 times 0 is going to be 0. So that's why we can put 1. And we put the ceiling limit, which we want to be 10. So we have to add 1. So it becomes 10. So we have to make it 11, 1 comma 11. So enter the number 12. So 12 times 1 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, 12 times 3 is 36, and so on and so forth. This is one exercise which we did over here. Now, the second practical example which you have to do as a practice is password retry system. The answers will be shared on GitHub for you. Today, we have learned about for loops, while loops, break, continue, pass, nested loops, and practical examples. In day 6, we will explore functions in Python, a super important chapter. Comment below. I completed day 5. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Bye bye.